show with more angles.
Ровно, но посмотри лучше на тот экран, там лучше. Охренеть.
Сейчас смотри, какой кардебалет.
Сейчас кардебалет, да, будет качественный.
Очень красиво.
Офигеть, да?
It was horrifying. The rear seat passengers were thrown clear, but then crushed by the car as it landed. We were glad this had been a test, rather than real life, if you're wearing a seatbelt. But the German experts at ADAC reckon it's time we fitted height adjustable belts and pretensioners for rear passengers as well as...
She's going for it. Inside the car to see exactly what Sharmila saw as she went over that ramp at 100 kilometres an hour. Now we see the view from the side as she takes off, corkscrews in mid-air, and then flips over 3 times before stopping. Woohoo! Now Ashu, you better get the kids in front of the telly and take a look again. This is one of the most spectacular dares we've ever done on the show.